Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mclaren Senna and this is by Tomica and this is from their premium series. And the scale is 1 by 62 and so let's unbox and see how this one looks. So if you guys are following me for a long time now, I think the channel I started this channel exactly 2 years back. So if you guys are following me at least from uh, past 1.5 years, you will know that I unboxed a Mclaren Senna by Majorette. That was really nice. I personally loved it with the openable, scissor doors and all. Okay, let's see how Tomica one looks. Okay, this one also has that same paper. So let me just put this aside for a second. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me put this inside safe. So I will be needing this. Okay, so here is the casting. So the first impressions of this casting are like, honestly, it doesn't really look good on the top because of the black paint. I really wish they could have gone with a different paint, on the top instead of black, because black always shows you all the imperfections when it comes to cars. You can see the see-through window here. But apart from that, the casting looks really nice. It is not really that heavy, but I think headlights are supposed to be inside. They painted it out. Honestly, Majorette really did a very good job on this because they put some kind of acrylics on the inside for the headlights. But I'm really disappointed that Tomica didn't do that. So it has grill details here, which is good. The rims looks good. It doesn't have any openable parts if you ask me. Yeah, it doesn't have any. You can see some of the engine detailing here. And okay, let me just see. I think it does look like plastic here. Yeah, so the spoiler is plastic, the body is fully metal, and this part here and the hood, this part is plastic. And I'm not sure if the actual car's chassis is like this, because when it comes to very high speed cars, the chassis usually is fully covered. So might be that might be it looks the same because you can see a lot of dots here, which is supposed to be, I think, nuts and bolts or screws, some kind of thing. But it is not a great casting from Tomica, but it is, I can say, an okay casting if you ask me. It does exhaust detail as well here. You can see the interiors here. Let me just, yeah. Okay. Let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't. Okay, it is so low to the ground. I don't think they are going to have a suspension here. And so it does have some really great detailing, but I really wish they could have added some kind of openable parts and more specifically the headlights here. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, it's 38 grams. Honestly, it's okay. So I really don't mind about the weight unless or until it's a full metal car. But it is really so low to the ground, which looks really nice because the Majorette one doesn't look like this. It is always lifted up because of the suspension they usually give. But Tomica ones always looked really nice even with the suspension. But this one doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll at all. It just stops midway. Okay, third try. Okay, one more. Okay, it reaches the same level more or less. So honestly, if you guys are asking me, whether you can go ahead and buy this casting, I personally would say get uh, the majorette ones which cost less. If you are able to get the majorette one, just get that one. But if in your country or if in your city you are able to get this, I mean, if the price is similar to majorette one, then I'm not sure. I would prefer the majorette one because it had a lot of detailing. Really, they gave the detailing really well. I need to just go through that casting once again because I don't remember like 50% of the detailing on that one. But if you guys are watching this video, you can just search for my majorette playlist and you can see that car there, and you can just compare it as of now for yourself. But later on, I'm just planning to do some comparison videos once the time permits. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.